Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Peter with speeddesignworks.com. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to use and master the Shape Builder tool. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so as not to miss any future updates. Let's get right into it. The Shape Builder tool is simply a tool that can be used to join different shapes together, as well as parts. Let me show you what I mean by that. So let's say we want to create different shapes. Let's create a square. Let's duplicate it. Let's create a circle. So I'm just creating random shapes here, just to show you what I mean by joining. Polygon, triangle, 3 sides. And the star. So let's say we have the shape here, randomly arranged. So as we can see, these are different shapes. So now with the Shape Builder tool, we can actually join all these shapes together. So let's come to the layers panel, the layers here. So, and we can see all our different shapes highlighted here. So to use the Shape Builder tool, just make sure you select all the shapes you want to join together. Click on the Shape Builder tool and then select the color. So let's use the black color. So to join them together, all you do is drag on the shapes, just like this. Just like this. And they all become one shape. Oh, sorry, this is not joined together. Like this. Yeah, and we get one shape here. So one thing you should also know is that only the selected shapes will be joined together. So what do I mean by that? Let's say the other time we selected everything together. So now let's say we want to just select only this side, only this left side, like this. Or wait, let me use a rectangle at the background. Let me say a red rectangle. Arrange and send to back. So ordinarily, if we are to join this with the normal procedure we had the other time, let me say I use yellow. So if I want to join everything together like this, everything will become one single shape, yellow. So now if we don't select the background, so let's say we select everything except the red background, and we select the Shape Builder tool, we won't be able to draw on this background. So only the shapes will be selected like that. So same here, if we select only these 4 and we try to use the Shape Builder tool, all the other shapes will not be selected. Only this will be selected like that. So only selected shapes only the shapes that are selected will be joined together. So that's useful. So now the second function of the Shape Builder tool is to remove shapes from different shapes. So let me show you how that works. So we select everything like this. So now to remove it, you click on the Shape Builder tool again, and then whatever place we want to remove, let's say we want to remove this area. So all we need to do is press Alt and then click on it just once, and it removes it just once. So let's say we want to remove this place now. Just go there, Alt to change the plus to minus, and then click on it and remove it. Click on it, like that. So all this place, there's nothing there again. So if you want to add it back, remove your hand from Alt and just click on it to come back there again. So this removal can be very useful when you are doing illustrative drawings. For illustrations, you will need your shape builder tool very well. So these shapes I brought back, they can actually be removed from there, like that. So that's still another feature of it. Can be used to remove shapes. Let's say you want to remove this shape, just click on it once and then you can take it out. So any shape you want to remove, you can do that with the shape builder tool. Very easy. You can also add colors with the shape builder tool. So that can also be very useful when you are doing illustrations. So you select everything as well. Select the color you want. Let's say you want, when you select everything, you click on the shape builder tool and then select the color you want. So let's say you want this color. Make sure it's selected. Click here, click here, click here. So if you want another color, click here, click here. You want another color, click here, click here. So it gives you so much control with the coloring. So you can color any specific area of any shape you want. Very, very useful. Like that. So now let's say I want to create like a love icon with this shape builder tool. So let's create a rectangle. Click on the rectangle to draw a line like this. You press O for the reflect tool, or you come here and click on the reflect tool and then go to one edge. Before that, just rotate it to the left, 45-degree angle. Yeah. So now you press O and then Alt, you drag and press Alt and Shift to snap, like that. So now you select on everything, click on your direct selection tool, and then drag it so it's rounded. So with everything selected, now use the shape builder tool. So to remove it, you just press on Alt and then click. Press on Alt and then click, like that. So you can also drag through. Alt and just drag through like that drawing. So if there are plenty places, it will remove all the shapes like that. So and then drag through here to form the love. So this is our love icon. So let's say we want to create an house icon too as well. Create house like this. It's polygon tool, triangle. So you just put the shape here. Like this, simple house icon. So to join them together as well, let's say this is a red color. So to join them together as well, use the shape builder tool. Select the color you want. If you want a blue color, select it, and as long as the two are selected, just click on one and then drag to the other, and it becomes the color, and they become one single shape, just like that. So that's all you need to know about the shape builder tool. So if you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And if you don't want to miss more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well. Thank you.